Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. This is a concise, well-crafted summary and it highlights only the important keywords. Deterministic hazards. So here in deterministic hazards, you have the threshold. So deterministic hazards, you have threshold, it can be determined, and the below the threshold. So what is present below the threshold? So below the threshold, the effect will not occur. So effect not occur. Then comes the severity. When you look at the severity is dose dependent. The severity will be dose dependent, and what will be the example? Example, you have the radiation. So you have the radiation induced cataract. The radiation induced cataract will be an example for the deterministic hazards, as well as the skin erythema. This is the most common side effect. So skin erythema is the most common side effect. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.